episode of HSG. Had a crazy time over the weekend. I went to Winterfest, I went to the Honda Acura Classic, and then I went to the Adam LZ open house, which was crazy. Check it out. Morning, kids! What's going down? Taking a little road trip out to this meet called Winterfest. So we're out here in Winterfest 2019 in Lakeland, Florida. Let's check out some of these cars.
The night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation. I have come, it's cold and losing my control.
I'm at the Acura Honda Classic out here at Ace Cafe.
What's up, dog? Pleasure to meet you, dog. What's up, dog? We out here. We're just at this LZ toy drive. Insane super anti-lag, double two-step, bacon burger action.
See the Camaro blew up?
Oh, did it?
Yeah, the thing blew up, man.
It blew up. Here with Bernie and Booty Vision. We're out here at this Adam LZ dunk tank action. It's a beautiful day. We're talking to people. The sun's going down. It's so magnificent.
What the mess? Alright.
I'ma head out.
I think the funniest thing about this, I just saw a very nice police officer.
We gotta get the GTR.
What do you think, kids? Are you deaf?
Partially, yes.
You were in front of the exhaust.
Even though I'm already partially deaf because of his car, so,
So that was a little bit of footage from all the shows, and today we're actually getting back to work on the Integra. So as you can see, I've got the fenders off, headlights off, the bumper is just sitting on here. So essentially we're going to try to be getting everything nice and clean against this firewall here. We're gonna pull everything off of it today. This is the goal, to see if we can get this thing nice and clean. So we also gotta make a quick run to a couple stores, grab a couple of things. I need to grab some rags and some coffee, and then we're gonna get back to work on this bad boy. All right, so I finally went and got everything that I needed. So I don't know if it's gonna happen today, tonight, tomorrow, but we're about 50 subscribers away from finally hitting 100,000, which is completely insane and amazing. Thank you to everybody that has subscribed and been with me since the beginning. This is really exciting. Now, we're gonna get to work on the Integra. All right, been making a lot of progress. That's pretty much prep for the next couple days. I've got all the wheels off because we're gonna be working on the rear end. You probably know what for. That'll be tomorrow. Right now, I've got everything, almost everything pulled off the firewall. I've got to empty these hoses. They're still full of coolant and stuff. So before I pour that out everywhere, I need to get a cup to pour that into. Then we're gonna decide, get all of this, then we're gonna clean everything. Then we're gonna decide what's going on with these brake lines and move on forward from there. All right, so here we are. I've been cleaning this profusely and pulling everything off of the firewall and pushing it down. I'm going to be dealing with everything as we go. It may not look like I've done much, but I've actually been working for a couple hours. I've also removed the bar that bolts right there and goes across to right there. This bar right here. To do a case swap on an Integra, you've got to remove that bar. So if you are attempting to do a case swap on an EK and you decide to get a EGDC subframe, you have to remove that bar to get enough room for the transmission. So I'm definitely going to be working on this thing tomorrow, so there should be another video tomorrow as well. I'm calling it quits for the day so I can go edit this one and post it up. Yeah. This one's been kicking my ass. So this is where we're at right now with the Integra. I'll see you in a video tomorrow. Thank you so much. Peace out. Keep living your dreams.